Need a dependable dumpster rental in Mauldin, South Carolina? USA Dump and Roll is your top choice. Whether you're a homeowner tackling a renovation or a contractor on a job site, we provide the perfect solution for your waste disposal needs. Our dumpsters are ideal for DIY projects, yard cleanups, roofing jobs, and more. We ensure prompt delivery and pickup, making the process hassle-free for you. Join the many satisfied customers in Mauldin, South Carolina, who trust USA Dump and Roll for their dumpster rental needs. We're committed to providing exceptional service, competitive pricing, and environmentally responsible waste disposal. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff is here to help you every step of the way. From selecting the right dumpster size to answering any questions, we're dedicated to making your experience seamless. At USA Dump and Roll, we pride ourselves on timely delivery and efficient pickup. We understand the importance of keeping your project on track, and we're here to ensure your waste is managed responsibly. Do you need help choosing the right dumpster for your project? Call 864-707-8200 or visit www.usadump-and-roll.com. Dumpster Rental Mauldin SC. Experience the difference with USA Dump and Roll, your trusted partner for all your waste management needs.